Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of March. And the first product came on the outside because it wouldn't fit in the bag. I'm very excited for this. There's 2 face masks in here, and although face masks tend to break me out, these sound really good. This one is peaches and cream, and then blueberry and banana. So I'm going to go ahead and try those because that sounds amazing. Hopefully they smell really good because it sounds like it would. But here's the bag. And have a card, Stronger Together, on the inside with the products. So I'm going to set that aside and we'll look at that at the end. The first item I'm picking out is from Benefit, their Real Magnet. This says it's powerful lifting and lengthening mascara. I know I've tried the Real one before, but I've never seen it with magnet behind, so excited to try that. I love their products. Also have Aloe Hawaiian Face Cleanser. That's pretty cool. Definitely use that. We Are Fluoride, perhaps? Oh, this is brow gel. So I think on the card it says it's clear. So I'm not really sure what that's going to look like on me. My brows are very, very light and I have to fill them in, so we'll see. And the last one, I Woke Up Like This by Sophia and Mabel. It's a skin perfecting primer. Cool. Pretty good bag this month. So they give you this card, which I love. It tells you a little bit more about the products and has some tips in there too. And that is what I got. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is kind of custom to you based on what you pick out in your profile. So your products are probably going to be different than mine, but you may have some of the same. And if you're not already subscribed, I have a link below in case you'd like to use it and join. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.